ready for the park?
Yeah, I got us an ice cream to share.
Oh, well, what's the second one for?
Oh, it's for Oliver. It's doggy ice cream.
This is so good.
Wait, where's your phone?
Right there? Why?
I want you to have a memory for later.
No one's ever done that for me before.
Brought a ball for fetch.
Oh, thanks, but he can't be off leash here.
Oh, well, I have this 30-foot leash. Would that work? Wow, you're the best dog ever.
Gosh, I love you.
Wait, what?
Oliver! I love you, Oliver!
I thought you were talking to me for a sec.
I would never. Unless you want. Would you want me to talk to you like that?